Yeah, Phaeton was started by founders Chai Shepherd and Damien Robson. I joined them a year ago, around about September, and that was through an app that I had developed on affordable housing. When we got together, we decided, well, we might as well merge the companies. I was given the mandate to redirect the company as opposed to the initial concept, which was a traditional ICO. We then embarked on a strategy and analysed what was out in the marketplace, and the platforms that Damien and Chai had created was very similar to Ethereum, Cardano and Polkadot. But we didn't want to be like them. We created a new vision, and that is to use what blockchain has been designed for, a decentralized system controlled by the community. And that has given us a real impetus. But in addition to that, we realized that through research, probably only 10% of the population understand what blockchain is about. We then embarked and said, well, in order to educate the public, we should use blockchain in real life situations, right? So where we've gone to, we're actually building tangible products, like for example, data centers. We're using blockchain in smarter housing and in areas of energy. So we focus on Phaeton as being an energy efficient platform. As many people or technologists know out there, that the likes of many of the blockchain entities use significant amount of energy. And what we set out to be is to be totally renewable. So our blockchain is driven by an infrastructure that is driven by renewable energy. So my role as the CEO, we've been driving this format, and the interesting part about it is that the founders, being younger than me, I'm a lot older, but where we've applied good business models is we have taken traditional models that are sustainable and operational. So the marrying of this technology together with older brains in business, I think has been a very good marry, and we have made a significant amount of interest because we are totally different. So in all, the company is heading in this specific direction, and we try to add as much value as we can. Myself, as being an architect and developer, my core expertise is in property development. I'm an author. I've written several books on real estate development, and a lot of the stuff that we bring into is to build enough assets within the group. By building up those assets, we will constantly have value, real tangible value, as opposed to cloud-based cryptocurrencies. So the long-term goal is obviously for the interests of our investors, our shareholders, and token holders, is to drive consistent value and maintain value, not for the short term, but for the long term. So in theory, the whole thing is that we are focused on a sustainable business model. Yeah, one of the key things that we've set out to be is that we need a proper board to make our business a sustainable model. And to this extent, I have insisted that we have a charter based on good corporate governance, and this is a lead up to us getting listed on international stock exchanges. We're currently in discussions with parties that are assisting us on this journey. So the corporate governance is very vital in how we run this business. We have a good board at the moment, but obviously it will build over time. So the corporate governance is to ensure that each party focuses purely in the interest of our shareholders and token holders, because after all, they are supporters, they are a community, and we are totally committed to make sure that we are constantly driving value.